For a couple of days in February, the Public Safety and Technology building in our Ybor City campus was full of men and women in uniform.
I'm going to talk to them about the importance of a career in law enforcement and, taking that oath to serve and protect and doing what it takes to be a police officer in the city of Tampa.
That's Tampa Police Chief Jane Castor, one of the many important guest speakers taking part in the great HCC Criminal Justice Teach-In.
Well, it exposes our students to the agencies that they will hopefully end up working for. Our students are preparing to be police officers, probation officers, prosecutors, defense attorneys, perhaps at times judges, federal agents. So we bring in officials from each of those agencies, and our students get to hear what it's like to work for those agencies and what they do.
Members of our local, state, and federal criminal justice agencies met at the YPST building for the two-day event where HCC's Criminology and Criminal Justice students got the opportunity to learn firsthand about the various fields they might possibly enter one day.
On the teach-in, it's interesting to see where they're talking about where we can go with our careers, like the different avenues we can do, like special units, promotions, different areas we can work in. So it's really interesting to see that. It gives us something to hope for.
Dr. Michael Richard is the program manager of HCC's Criminal and Criminal Justice Studies program. Many students not only listen, but ask questions from speakers. From the United States Attorney, Middle District of Florida, to a special agent in charge to the FBI. They were all there to help HCC students.
On the teach-in, it's interesting to see where they're talking about where we can go with our careers, like the different avenues we can do, like special units, promotions, different areas we can work in. So it's really interesting to see that. It gives us something to hope for.
With exposure to the agencies and professionals in the biz, students will hopefully take opportunities like this one to guide them in their future careers. Just one of many events the department holds for the benefit of their students.
Well, I think each of our speakers is a highlight in and of itself. Each of our speakers brings an expertise and rank from their type of work. And I think in each speaker there's been highlights, usually some funny war story or experience they've gone through. And I think our highlights are myriad.
In Ybor City, Kenneth Abdullah, Hawk TV News.